Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to fund your Exness account. So let us get on with it. Firstly, we go to deposit. You click on deposit. Now when your account is verified, you have access to all the available funding options, no restriction, alright? But if your account is not fully verified, you won't have access to all the funding options. You will be limited to just a couple of them. Now in this scenario, my account is fully funded. Register with a Nigerian account. The limit here to fund is $10. The maximum is $10,000. I can also use bank transfer. I can use cryptocurrency. Any other option I want to use, I can use private money. How it's done, you click on, let's say we're using, if it's Bitcoin transfer, they'll give me a Bitcoin wallet. I'll copy it, go to my maybe Binance account or Trust Wallet account, my crypto account, paste it in there and fund it. It will reflect automatically. That's how it's done. Secondly, let's say we're using our local bank transfer option. We go on to deposit, alright? We go to deposit, online bank transfer. Here, the minimum is $10. So $10 apparently here is 15,000. From the time of this video, 15,036 naira. That is what I'm showing there. So let's say I want to fund my account with $100. What would $100 be then? To make the math, since $10 is 15,030 naira, so $100 will be 150,036 naira. Awesome. That's how it's done. So let's say we want to fund with $75. We're just gonna make the math. So $75 will be about, let's say, trying different scenarios. Okay, this is 76. Let's adjust it. You can also use your calculator. That'll be a very fast way to do that. Also, $75. We click on done. Confirm. Yes, this is the conversion rate. Confirm. Now it will give us a Naira account where we send the money to. Here they're telling us that do not save or reuse the account because the account changes. For every time you want to fund, the account is different. They give you different accounts every time you want to fund. Yes, so you have to fund exactly that amount. Don't change the figures. Okay, and the account expires after a fixed time. In most cases, after 1 hour, if that transfer is not made, it expires. All right, so let's see how it goes. Generating payment information, please wait. All right, awesome. So here it is. This is the account. You can simply copy it and then go to your bank transfer and you make the transfer. Immediately as the transfer is made, in most cases instantly, it will exit this dashboard and you will see it reflect on your trading account. Your account balance will instantly change. The maximum time frame they tell us here is 30 minutes, but in my experience of using Exness, which is years now, the maximum time I've waited to see my money reflect is about 5 to 7 minutes. So that's how it's done. So funding with Exness is very easy, made easy for you. Now, adding to this video, if you're not able to fund the account within an hour, you just have to come in, request to fund the account again, and copy the most recent bank account number, and then you fund your account. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for your time. From this video I've made, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask or drop a comment. Thank you so much.